Today is May 5th, 2026, and here is the news that you can use. This is the Exchange Daily, providing the 5 minutes that secure your 24 hours. Because in this environment, guesswork isn't a strategy. The Navy is reporting measurable efficiency gains from AI-powered training tools and operational workflows. Service leaders say the technology is accelerating planning cycles, reducing administrative burden, and improving readiness metrics across fleet and shore commands. Building directly on that operational push, FedRAMP is advancing continuous verification, OSCAL automation, and prioritized authorization pathways specifically tailored for AI cloud services. The latest rules preview emphasizes machine-readable evidence and AI-specific controls to keep high-impact systems compliant without slowing deployment. To help agencies scale infrastructure securely, GSA and NIST are deepening their partnership on AI evaluation science through the USAi platform. The collaboration delivers consistent benchmarking methods, testing toolkits, and procurement-ready checklists that let CIOs evaluate models before they reach the enterprise. Complementing the evaluation push, the Army is expanding Project Area to bring rapid AI adoption directly to operational units. The initiative focuses on real-time data readiness and human-AI collaboration frameworks that turn experimental tools into mission-critical assets. Meanwhile, GAO is highlighting persistent privacy-related gaps in current OMB AI guidance. The watchdog recommends stronger agency-level controls on data ownership, supply chain transparency, and post-deployment monitoring to close the risk window in high-impact use cases. Finally, OPM has launched the USAi Class A-powered hiring tool to streamline federal talent acquisition. The platform uses responsible AI to match skills faster while maintaining fairness and compliance standards across the workforce modernization effort. That's the Exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you next time for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. The Exchange newscasts and newsletters are productions of Metora Solutions LLC. Metora is both a hub zone and a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. While every effort is made to keep details accurate as of publication time, readers and listeners should always confirm time-sensitive items such as policy changes, budget figures, and timelines directly with official documents and briefings. The Exchange is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal, investment, procurement, security, compliance, technical, or any other form of professional advice. No attorney-client, advisor-client, or other professional relationship is created by listening to or reading this content. Always consult qualified professionals and validate with primary sources before taking any action. All information is from publicly available sources. All rights reserved. Copyright Metora Solutions LLC, 2026.